Hello everyone. Today I will share a fairly simple but very fragrant way to roast chicken, especially since the chicken is marinated for quite a long time, giving it a very rich flavor. First, I prepare 4 chicken thighs. Add salt, pepper, 1 tablespoon of dried coriander, 1 tablespoon of dried basil, and a little olive oil. Then mix well so that the seasoning coats each piece of chicken. A few cloves of garlic, next, finely chop some cilantro. Then cut a yellow lemon and squeeze out the juice. Then mix again so that everything blends together. When the chicken is evenly marinated, I wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for about 3 hours. After the chicken has marinated long enough, I start cooking. Fry the chicken briefly until golden brown on all sides. Just lightly browned on the outside is fine. Then remove and set aside. If this is your first time watching my video, please comment below with a greeting from your country. It's great that we can connect with each other. Next, I use the same pan I just fried the chicken in to stir fry the vegetables. First, I cut 3 potatoes into bite-sized pieces. And add them to the pan. I stir gently until the surface of the potatoes begins to brown slightly. Next, I chop the onion. And add it to the pan. I stir continuously until the onion softens and becomes translucent. The aroma of the onion blends with the oil and butter in the pan, creating a pleasant scent. Next is half a carrot. Carrots not only add color to the dish, but also contain a lot of vitamin A. Then comes a few cloves of garlic. Only a small amount is needed, but when added to the hot pan, the aroma of garlic spreads very quickly and makes the dish much more appealing. Then comes the bell pepper, an ingredient I almost always have in my kitchen. It has a beautiful colour, contains quite a lot of vitamins, and makes the dish look fresher. Finally, I cut the mushrooms into bite-sized pieces. And add them to the pan. Stir all the ingredients until the vegetables begin to soften and the aroma gradually fills the kitchen. At this point, I add a little pepper, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Then gently stir so the spices coat the vegetables evenly. Just look at it, even though it's only the vegetables, it already looks incredibly appealing. But this is just the preparation step. Now let's move on to the main dish. Now I prepare the baking tray, brushing a thin layer of olive oil on the bottom. Then I pour all the vegetable mixture into the tray, followed by about 250 milliliters of chicken broth. I add a little green onion. Finally, I place 4 pieces of chicken on top of the vegetables, carefully arranging each piece to look appealing. Although I haven't tasted it yet, I'm sure this dish will be delicious. Now, I place a little butter on each piece of chicken. When baking, the butter will melt down, making both the chicken and vegetables more fragrant and rich. After preheating the oven, I set it to 190 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes. Now, all we have to do is watch and wait. Once the chicken is cooked, with its light golden skin and tender vegetables underneath, I take the tray out and arrange the dish on a plate. The chicken is fragrant with herbs, and the vegetables are infused with the rich chicken broth. A fairly simple dish, but very satisfying for a family meal. My loved ones really enjoy it, so give it a try. If you love this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next videos.